Here is a unboxing video of a robotic kit from WIt Blox. It says it's a IIT Bombay alumni initiative and there could be 101 DIY projects using this particular kit, and the packing looks quite nice. And if you closely look, it says 35,000 possible circuit combinations, 10 ready to make projects inside, 100 plus project online, Arduino compatible, which is a good thing. There is one icon, worry not, instruction manual inside. So okay, it should contain instruction manual also. Then popular project, saucer playing robot, line following robot, obstacle avoiding robot, magician's robot, and much more. Okay, let's see what it has got. And if you open it, the packing looks amazing. And get your first project kit free. Okay, download WIt Blox robot learning app and get a drawing machine project kit free. Okay, so there is some code given over here using which you can get another project free. And when I see at the instruction manual, so there is the project code using which you can get the project free. Then you have a warranty card and it says 1 year warranty available, okay, for this particular kit. And then here we go with the instruction manual. So let me just take this out, this pin, and it says WIt Blox and less innovation. And you can see there are codes available to join WhatsApp makers community. So they have a WhatsApp group, and WIt Blox app also you can download. Okay, so the power, what all it contains. So power circuit it has got. Then there are many extensions, input and output, how you are going to control input and output. Then you have a control board over here, lamp, buzzer, motor driver, and the motor. And if you look at the paper quality, it's really great. It is, very thick and shiny pages like magazine. And this is our step to make your smart study lamp. So this is project number 1, wherein you make a smart study lamp. Okay, then the next one is build a torch, build a blow horn, build a emergency study lamp, then build a sunrise alarm. Then here we go. This is step to make your robotic car. So step by step instructions are given, step 1, 2, 3, and what all you need to do and how you need to follow these steps. Okay, next is build an automatic sharpener, build a racing car. You can build a racing car, you can build a magician robot, and how it works when the power is on. So all the flow diagram and all the theory behind is given, and it also says how much time it will take for you to run this project, right? Then follow me robot, using this car you can make the follow me robot you can build. Then build a cliff avoider robot. Again, what is the project and how to assemble it, and then how it works and how you are going to connect the things together, and final assembly, and build it on WIt Blox app. So everything is given over here. Build a line follower robot. So usually this is one of the important project where your car can follow a line follower. Build an obstacle avoider. If some obstacle comes in between, the car can take turn and you can avoid that obstacle. Build an so using all these you can build exciting projects, and this is what instruction manual looks like. Make in India. Then what is this? Okay, so this is smart study lamp. We saw the instruction manual contain the smart study lamp steps, and these all are the cutouts. These are foam. You would have seen those lightweight foams, right? So this is cutouts from a form, and you can follow the instructions from the instruction manual and you can build a alarm, and you can build a lamp. And this one is the car, robotic car, and these are the cutouts for the car, and you can assemble as per the instruction given in the manual, and then you are good to go. Okay, so there are various sections here. There are 5 partitions in total, and it contains, I can see, I'll start from this end. So I can see few screws, then this WIt Blox, there is a badge. Okay, you can attach it anywhere. Then this looks like a input output extension board. Then this is a power connector, power jack is connected. Okay, so this can get connected to the battery and to the power and then to the respective board. All right, then there is this lamp. This is lamp board, and I can see this one is, it is written over here in word. So I don't know, maybe it is some switch, or it is some, something need to be in word. Okay, then there is this buzzer is here, buzz. So easily assembly you can do, ease of assembly. All these boards are here. Then here I see a potentiometer I can see over here. LDR, okay, LDR with a potentiometer. Then we have, what is this? This is a IR sensor with a, this is IR sensor with potentiometer. Okay, then we have this motor and the respective motor drive boards. We have these 2 wheels and double-sided tape. Then this Amazon battery, 9-volt battery. Okay, so this is the complete kit, and it looks very good, and I think this is for kids. It is very nice kit to start and learn the field of robotics. Okay, thank you.